This is a Bitcoin chart analysis. After Bitcoin went to 1 lakh 500, something like that, Bitcoin suddenly took a move upside. Many people might have tried shorting here, or they might have seen the small time frame, like 5 minutes, 1 minute, or something like that. Sometimes what happens is you don't get every time order blocks. See, for example, if this is the 1 minute MSS, even if you get prepared at this level, this total one, the price did not come to order block. Then what happened exactly? Entries, there's a special, you have to keep an eye on IFVC. Usually people, they do know much about FVGs and they keep orders over here. As they know FPGs, they either they take orders from there or they sell from higher side if they find any FPGs. But if you don't know the importance of the IFVG, sometimes I mean you get confused when market goes against you. So having IFVG knowledge is very much important. So I show you what happened. So after making an MSS, BTC went up until here and turning down. If you take fib and applied on the chart, this is a 50% area. Here we see a breaker block. And see, the first confluence is 50% equilibrium area. There's a breaker block. And the another thing is, see, this is an FVG, previous FVG. That's also its work. So there is a confluence of FVG, equilibrium, the breaker block, the price rejection. So from here, the BTC again went upside. If you follow the ICT concepts, when do you take a sell? Only when only market shift happens, market structure shift happens. So the market is creating higher lows again higher low, again higher low, and never did it shift the market. बस कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. देखिए ऐसा जा रहा है. जब ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर देखता है डायरेक्टली, this is the fall happens. So when such kind of fall happens, when market retraces and there is no market shift, and this market is not giving any very higher low swings are also you did not find here. So in such case, you should not try for shorting such an instrument, either it is BTC or gold. So the target ultimately will be if somebody entered over here, this liquidity is the target, and BTC is going to hit this one minimum. And one more thing I will show you. If you go into 5 minutes chart, one minute, here when the market retraced, you three candle swing, you can see. Whenever you see this 3 candle swing, the third candle, this will be the stop loss. And the moment market goes above this, you can take an entry over here. And your stop loss is below this one. And your target will be, this is the liquidity. The second you are having this one, this thing. So this is the target, and this is already met. Next, it is aiming for this one. Here, if I go into the 15 minutes chart, so this target is yet to be filled or done. So when it comes to current scenario, so now BTC, you must have an idea that it is aiming for higher highs. Now what? You have to buy on dips, whether it gives dips or not. Whether BTC give you a dip to buy or not, that's the question mark. If it gives a dip, does it have a proper structure, proper order block? We check it out. So here, this is a, you don't find any order block over here. Okay, just it is going like this. You are having only one order block here. I will take the total part because it is a swing. So here only you are having an order block. I can minimize it also like this. Okay. And this now, if you apply dealing range, now we are at premium. But it does not mean that usually people sell when the price reaches a premium level. Even to do that, one must need a market structure shift. MSS has to be completed. MSS has to be. So when you see this structure like this, you can find only, this is a 15 minutes chart I'm talking about. If you go for 1 minute, you may find, but I'm taking it a bigger time frame so that the price action will be very good. So this is only the lower swing you are having. One not 622 is broken like this and closes below this. Then I consider this as an MSS. Until then, it is just making higher low zone. So even if this is broken, if it comes like this and closer, I take this as an MSS. Then you find a OB over here and go for a sell till this start. Okay. But but will that happen actually? Let us check. Anyhow, we are in the premium. If you keenly observe, see, I consider this so this is the market range. For this range, this is the discount area, which is 1,04,349, and this one lakh 3,996. If market comes to this area, as it is in the range between BSL and SSL, you can take a little risk. Like this. Okay. But the stop loss should be below this, and below this swing I have kept. But when the price closes below, leaving a bearish candle, then this will become MSS. Then you look for a FEG order block, and then you go for a sell to the downward direction. But at present, this is my first choice. Stop loss, you should make it very less. And coming to the 4 hours, I will show you one thing. So this is an FEG. When the price is falling, when FEG was created, the price disrespected this and closed above that. So now this will become a support to the Bitcoin. The mean is at 103.27. So this will be the very support area. So now you again, let us check. Go to the 5 minutes. So we can take this SL. Previously we discussed. Okay. So even in 4 hours also, there is no swing to our left side. So that in 4 hours, I don't expect MSS will happen. So now the price is above this FVG and reaching 105,988.86. It will take this liquidity, and if possible, it will take this liquidity also, which is 1,06,854. So now the BTC bias is only buy under dips. And another thing, you should not see only order blocks and FVGs to take an entry. For example, if you take this swing only, will change to 15 minutes. See, if we consider this as a low, you take a 50%, it has taken support and moved up. And from this level to this level, again almost 50% it has taken and moved up. And from this swing to this high, again almost it has taken in the came to the discount area to this swing and moved up. Now check. It's 25% only retracement happened. And from this swing to this swing, if you take, already 50% is touched. So the price may move up to hit this one thing, this liquidity. So in this way, now to, to this and this is the discount. So now check. Again, we have a breaker block. We have an FVG. So this low, I don't think it will break to make an MSS. The price keep on go like this one. So don't short in the BTC. If my order is very poor, I'm instructing here. So this is my message. BTC is looking for this liquidity and you don't find any entries. You get only this kind of turtle soup entries only. And now this is the range only. Even any hard fluctuations happens in this range only you expect and it goes upside down. Thank you very much.